So I'm Justin Borgman, CEO and co-founder of Hadapt, and Hadapt is an analytical platform on top of Hadoop that allows you to run SQL-based applications directly on structured and unstructured data inside of Hadoop. So really what we pioneered was this idea of using SQL to interact with your data on top of Hadoop. And that allows customers to kind of bridge the skills gap between those that know how to write MapReduce jobs and use Hadoop, which is very complicated, and those who understand how to use SQL-based applications, which is really most of the business intelligence community. So now analysts can use BI tools like, let's say, Tableau, for example, to interact with that data. And it's really bridging that divide to make Hadoop more useful. We like to think of ourselves as helping to accelerate Hadoop into production by bridging that gap. So I think, first of all, they should think about, where is that data coming from and what do they want to do with that data? I think one of the great benefits of Hadoop itself is this notion that it can store all kinds of different types of data. Structured data, unstructured data, you can bring it all together. So, what do you want to do with that data? I think that's one of the challenges. I think today a lot of people are kind of stuck in experimentation mode and haven't really decided what kind of business value they're going to get from that data. So try to think about it from that perspective. And I think to that extent, being able to run existing SQL-based applications against that data set makes that valuable. So I think one of the big trends is trying to figure out ways to interact with that data in a more user-friendly way. I think trying to reduce complexity. And visualization tools are a great way of doing that. Using, again, SQL is a great way of doing that, but how can we make it more user-friendly? Because right now it is still, I think, a very complicated set of tools that really only a small subset of the organization knows how to work with. So how can we simplify this overall environment, make it more interactive, make it more user-friendly?